In this bowl, I have 1½ cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and I'm going to mix those up. And now I'm going to add my liquid ingredients. 1/2 cup of cooking oil, 1/2 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a 1/4 teaspoon of almond flavoring, and that is optional. And I'm just going to mix that all up. And that would be the recipe for sugar cookies. So if you just want plain sugar cookies, you can go ahead and use your dough like this. But I'm going to make my cookies as fruitcake cookies. So I'm going to add mixed peel. And there's no set amount, just whatever you would like. So I'm just going to start with this much and mix that in. And that looks about right to me. And I have greased some muffin tins, and I'm going to use muffin tins just so I'll have the cookies all the same size. I'm just going to use a tablespoon, and I'm just going to put that down into my muffin cup. Like that, so that they'll all be the same size. And I have preheated my oven to 350, and I'm going to bake my cookies. Okay, my cookies are done, and this recipe made 18. You can double or triple the recipe. And you could leave your cookies just like this, but I'm going to make an indentation in the center, and I'm going to add a cherry. So I've just got a scoop here with a round bottom, and I'm just going to make an indentation right like that. And I'm going to place a cherry down in the center of each cookie. And I'm just going to sprinkle them with a bit of confectioner's sugar. And there you have the finished cookies. They're nice and thick. They're crunchy on the outside, chewy on the inside. And I'm going to have a taste. Oh, they're very, very good.